I know because we are at the forefront of it together with my team at MindMasters, that there is a big shift going on when it comes down to the relationship between agencies and their customers. And this is really a game changer. And this is what it exactly means and what you can do about it. So let's start with a simple story, a simple metaphor. So let's imagine that internal marketing departments have a kitchen and they have chefs and they have great kitchen equipment and they're cooking all day all kinds of recipes to grow their company. And there were a lot of things and a lot of times when they would rely on chefs from outside of the kitchen that brought their own kitchen equipment, that brought their own expertise. And this is basically the summary of what marketing agencies were offering. So they were offering chefs, and they were offering chefs that had good equipment and were very good in a particular area. And so they were experts in their area, and you would love to have them in your kitchen together cooking on growth. And the thing is, and basically sometimes, by the way, it was also about that you just hadn't, that a customer didn't have any time or couldn't find any chefs for themselves. So they could do it themselves, but they just hired chefs anyway. So what's becoming different? Well, there is very good kitchen equipment that makes sure that you don't need expertise anymore from outside. So you can do a lot of stuff yourself. And one of the things I've seen the past 2 years is that we are empowering customers with design systems in Figma, and they don't need any designers anymore. And they say, Robert, whoa, this is really awesome. I used to ask these things to my designer. Now I can do it all myself. And they find it more fun to do it themselves. They're more proud to do it themselves. And they have more control in doing so. And they have a learning curve, so they get better at it. So they love to do it themselves. And they can do it in less time even than they would do it with an agency, because there's a lot of communication with that also. So they are really empowered by doing it themselves. And all those AI tools out there are saying to you as an agency, look, your customer is going to cook it yourself. Really, they are going to do so. And your role as an agency will become more and more about empowering customers with better kitchen equipment, better processes in the kitchen, better recipes in the kitchen. It's about empowering them. How to use all those kitchen equipment. It's about education. But it's not solely delivering some chefs that can do some work and have some great equipment and have some great knives that they bring themselves. That will not be the reality anymore. Customers will do more and more themselves. And your role as an agency will be more and more about empowering. And at the other hand, if you're from the view of a marketing department, hire agencies that empower you, that educate you, that give you better systems, that help you better recipes and better processes. Recipes are playbooks, right? Those are the agencies you need. Those are the agencies that help you really improve and improve your results in the future.